Yeah, attention. This bitch, she just want attention. This bitch, she just want a motherfucking attention. Leave me up out of your mansion. They like that. Keep me up out of your mansion. Yeah.
For YouTube, man. It's the next morning. I'm freaking tired. I didn't go to sleep till like 1. Last night after we put the fire out, the fire came back like 3 times, man. Like, we put it out, and then we'd lay down. And then, like, we'd see something flashing, and it's the fire. But, what time is it? 7:43. Like, I gotta eat, and I gotta feed my dog. I'm finna get up. But I'm gonna get back with y'all after I eat, man, because I'm hungry. So, yeah. All right, man. It's the next morning. So, that's what it look like. I'm finna go cut down some trees, go start a fire, man. I got him tied around my freaking waist because I got this in my hand. It would have been no other way. These 2 trees. All right, put this little nigga on the tree right here. And then probably this one. And then we could be cool with them too. That's what I cut down last night.
I know.
So I just did that. All right, so you said this tree? Yeah. And then probably this one over here. Down first.
I hope there ain't no fucking beehive in this.
Nah, it shouldn't be. I just over there. Sorry.
Fucking full.
Finish that shit, let me.
Finish him. Looking at.
Look at her.
Fuck off my tree. I mean that bitch on the yellow part. And it just broke.
Huh?
A little bit.
That's the only axe you got nowhere. I said ain't gonna cut down no tree.
Why you said that? What? Back a little bit. There you go.
it out. Cracking it. No, shit. This little piece right here. I'm about to tie a string around that, man. Yo. Hey. Tap it on the tree. That should take energy, bro. I ain't gonna fake. Hold on, come get this tree then. Ain't no joke. We get to get this one or this one. Or you can do that one. That one. This one right here. Or that one. This one. Go ahead.
Or that one back there.
Where? It don't matter, you better do one. Yeah, cutting down the tree. Ain't no joke. And the motherfuckers who do this on the daily, I don't know how y'all do this. I don't know how y'all do it. But we gotta cut down like at least 3 more trees because we want hella firewood because we ain't got nothing but time today. Yeah, and look, it's all up the tree.
It is?
Look.
I can't see on that side. Look at that tree there.
But yeah, like I was saying, the motherfuckers who be cutting down the trees on the regular, y'all better than I am. Shit. I'll do this when I have to. Like, this weekend I have to because we need firewood. But let me get back with y'all when we get all of the trees cut down and back to the camp because we need to be hands-on for this. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. I won't be going grocery shopping. And this tree was already burnt before. Like at the bottom. So that bitch regrew back, regained conscious, nigga. He ain't coming down without a fight, nigga. You already know what this shit like.
That's what I'm saying.
That bitch just hit me. Hold the fuck up.
That's what happened.
Hey, bro, I quit.
Shit.
That's
the last piece then.
Well, I just tell you, that nigga ain't going down without a fight, nigga. He's standing on business, bro. He's standing on business, bro. We could just grab that piece right there. I grab that. And then that piece right there. Because it's already on the ground, you see it? That one right there and this one. And then we just gotta take that shit back there. But yeah, man. This shit just fell on my shoulder. I'm about to get back with y'all when we get all the wood back to the camp. Because this tree not coming down without a fight. But I'm gonna probably be back for his ass because you said we getting all of them, right? So that's the goal. Firewood secured. We went all in. And if we need to go get some more, we'll get some more. But this for tonight. But right now, we're finna walk and see if it's a pond or some type of body of water. Some type of body of water. Walk. Come here. Come on. Come on. About to see if there's some type of body of water. Ooh. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I find that body of water, man, cause gotta stay alert. I don't want no coyote to run up on me. It's still the morning time. Look at this though.
Why you pick this one?
Right there. We can cut through right here. It don't do nothing but wrap around, but we can
You
walk.
could have been right there already. This nigga trying to take the wall and shit.
Fucking stairs in the mountain and shit. Hell nah.
Wait for it. Hurry the fuck up.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not.
Ooh. Yo, power button. Oh, see this though? Look at this. Wow, come here. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit. You want to tell the people, bro? Look. All right, bro. You just want to lead the way so bad. I'm a little parched, y'all. So you know what that means? Time for some of that bag drink. Some of that bag drink. Oh my goodness. It's another trail down there right here. Look at him waiting for me. Hurry up, hurry up. Shut up. This nigga about to fall, bro. He trolling. Oh wow, let's take a break. What you got to say to the folks? None? What? Don't get on me, bro. Yo, I just lost my dog. He was down here. I called his name. He ran this way. I don't know where he went though. But I was down here. What? What the fuck? This nigga literally just vanished. I can hear something up there. You see him? He ran back this way. No, this way. But I do not find him. You see him? I'm cooked. I lost my dog. No. No. What the fuck? This nigga, I called his name, bro, and he literally ran. I don't even feel like going back up all of that shit. He probably ran all the way back, thinking I fucking went back over there. What? Here we go. We can back and talk when I find this little nigga. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? All right, do that shit again, nigga. You getting left. How about that? Hey, man, say, man. He pulling me up that little steep little hill. Yeah, you want to go? Go, dude. I should not be getting this close to you. Go. Go. Yeah. Go. Keep going. Yeah. God damn. Huh? Go, 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 go. Made it. They coming for us, y'all. Huh? They coming for us, y'all. Uh-oh. Wow, come on. Where can we go? They close. Oh shit, they right there. Come on, come on. Come here. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Get out the way. They literally coming up right here, dude. Come here. Sit down. Come here. Sit down. Go ahead. Shut up. Damn, they wilding out this bitch. Wow. Okay, so we walking a fucking dirt bike trail. Is some more coming? Oh hell. We gotta let them pass, y'all. Sit down. He barking and stuff. Let me ride that bitch. I'm about to clothesline him and take him up off that bitch. All right, I see two more. Hey, so if I get a dirt bike, at least I know where to come. Shut up. I don't think I'll see no more, y'all.
All right, so we continue.
All right. Come on. Hey, hey. Y'all see that? Oh yeah, something. Boom! They came and picked it up. Got a wop. He seen them freaking dirt bikes. Now he don't know how to act. He trying to go run. Let me know in the comments, what's the longest y'all been camping, man? The longest I've been camping, 4 days. But like I said, though, it was in cabins. So was it really camping or cheating? I feel like that's not really camping because you're not actually out here surviving. And I'm fucking out of breath. We just walked down a hill, up a hill, up another hill. Now we on flat. And then Wop all the way in the front. I had to throw him. This dude drinking muddy water. Nasty. But I'm just telling me he thirsty. Shit, so am I. So we either gotta get to some water or get back to the water because and we gotta start a fire. But this is a nice freaking view though. Look at that tree. Right here with the light on it. Right there. No. That big one. Right there, nigga. With the light on it.
I see two of them. How about some now? That bitch back before I would.
Go ahead, pick it up. You go first, I go second, nigga. Lightning probably be striking all the boom. Big old tree just fall. But don't nobody hear it though, unless you out here when it's thundering. But I won't be out here while it's thundering. No, no, no. Huh?
Think about it, man. Yeah, big man.
Sure wore.
We're gonna take thumbnails when we get back.
All right. You better not. He just jumped over it. I want to see. I seen 2 chipmunks. I want to see a bird.
Look at bear.
A bear.
I mean,
He's trying to kill us. Oh nah, bro. actually beautiful. This is what a lot of people don't get to see, y'all. The nature, because they so caught up in work life. And life ain't just about working. It's not just about partying either. It's about learning. You know, you learn a lot, and when you learn a lot about the world, it's easier to maneuver through because you already know what's up, you know? That's how I'm looking at it. Like, if it's something that I don't, like, if it's something that I fail, I know somebody out there failed it and they got past it. So, I'm gonna keep trying. That's all you gotta do. Huh? You hear him? All right. Oh, whopper. Whopper. Fat boy. Come here. Come here, fat boy. Look at this fat freaker. Fat boy. All right, now we in the middle, at the bottom. There's no water right there. Just him. Okay, so if you go right, or we could go straight. What does that say? Long Ridge Loop. What that say?
Monday trail.
It's not Monday. So, what the? We can't take that trail. It's not Monday.
Go back that way.
This way. We're lost. Send help. Woo! You hear the echo?
Nigger.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Oh wow. What?
What the fuck? Where the fuck is he at?
We trapped in the abyss. It's an echo chamber. Yo! Dude, this what it's like being in the forest, nigga. If you was to get stuck, you only hear yourself.
Oh wait, no. We probably go that way.
Cause this the one that we just walked.
No, cause that's, I mean, everything we've been saying along Ridge Trail, so.
Hell yeah. Which way you think?
Pick a way.
Oh hell no.
Which way? Bitch.
What? Which way we going, bro? We don't have all day, dude.
Well, we following you. Your life is in our hands at this point.
Our life, yours.
Wait, what? What's that?
Said your life is in our hands, or some shit like that. You said it backwards. Wop, which way we going? Come on, man. Smell the tent.
Go. Walk. Go. Walk. Go.
Okay, bro. You're about to lose your freaking crown. You about to lose your crown, bro. All right. Which way? Which way? What you crying for? Which way?
Which way you gonna go? Which way? Look, that way, or that way? Which one?
This way. Are we going this way? This way? Come on. This way? He said, let's go back. He said, let's go back. He dead ass. Let's go back. No, no, no. We're going this way. All right, come on. John, it's on you, man. Everything but San Long Ridge. So we get stuck.
Hey, what Drago said in Rocky 4?
Who?
Nah, you got that shit on, I forgot.
I didn't even hear you.
What Drago said in Rocky 4?
I ain't never watched that. Drago and Rocky 4. What'd he say?
He dies. He dies.
Nigga, that's not the plan, too. The fuck? Huh? A nest? Nigga, I just got stung by a bee. There's beer cans right here to my left, and you talk about a nest. I'm not trying to intrude, nothing. Keep my hands to myself. They keep their stingers in their butts. Come on. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Sit. Stay. They wildin'. They trying to get me. Better not go out there. Hey. At least we know we're on the right path. I think I seen that yesterday. Yeah. So at least I know we on the right path. If I let him off the leash, bro, he's gonna run. It's a horseshoe. You know, Clyde had this up under his bed for good luck. Yeah, nigga. I'm about to take this, y'all. Souvenir. How old you think this is? Let me know in the comments how old y'all think this is. Wop, how old you think it is? How old you think it is? Is it still oil? 63 years? It still look like it's wet. Spark plugs, fucking jug. This thing still works. Cabot. Yeah, it still smell like gas and oil. Let me get back for that bitch to blow up or something. Said 63 years. I'd probably say about like 16. So it's 11 o'clock right now. We just looked at the map. We don't have service, but we looked at the map and we're a wee bit ways from where we started. So we gotta hurry up and get back. We gotta get a fire started, and I gotta eat because the food is at the tent waiting for me. And I'm just hungry thinking about it. But yeah, so just want to give y'all that update that we're lost, but we're gonna make it, all right? So I'll see y'all when we get back to the tent. But it's people driving on the trail though, so push come to shove, I might hit them with one of these right here. One of these right here, looking at. No, but for real, cause got me crunked up, man. But we'll see y'all when we get back to the tent. This is hopefully if these dirt bike people come up here. Hey,
Hey, I got a question. Which way? I'm good. Which way to get back?
Where you guys from?
Wayne National Forest. That's where we at right now. But
You at camping
yeah.
somewhere? Long Ridge or Monday Creek? Long Ridge. Long Ridge? And that's back down this way,
So we just gotta go back the same way we came.
pretty much.
Ah.
Yeah. That way, I mean, that way leads you to a road, but
You just gotta
it's
go
a
back.
long way to go down that way. It's pretty much a single path too,
Okay.
so it doesn't really cut across.
All right. Well,
Yeah,
I heard it.
that way you could get back to it, but it's just gonna take you further away from it before you circle back around.
All right. So the best thing to do is just walk back through.
Pretty much.
All right.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, bro. We appreciate it. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I mean, you looking for a different scenery or?
Well, we were just walking a trail. I thought, cause it said loop, so I'm thinking it's gonna just loop around. I didn't know the loop was that big though.
It'll loop, but it's a long way.
I ain't know it was that
miles.
big. You
Yeah.
talking about miles?
Yeah, that loop would take you further down that way and go all the way around that. I mean,
Yeah.
we're talking miles. Probably 10 to 15.
Fuck
Yeah.
no.
Yeah. Yeah. Best case, probably just head back down that way.
All right. Thank you.
No problem.
You ready? Have a go. Thank you. Have a go. No, I mean,
We didn't go the wrong way. The trail that we just went on was long as fuck.
and we're walking, so
That's why it was dirt bikes and go-karts and shit on that bit.
hey, at least.
It's the longest trail in this fucking forest, probably. But
Hey, come back. Let me get a ride. I should have said that earlier. But well, you heard the man. We gotta go back through, man. So let me get back with y'all once we get back. Cause it's what time is it? 11. 11. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. When we get back. I don't know what time we finna get back, bro. But I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, man. So we just got back. It's 12 o'clock. Stop barking. Every time you bark, I'm popping. We still gotta chop down the firewood. Well, that's on buddy. We still, yeah, but I'm so hot. I'm tired. My legs is throbbing. I'm talking about throbbing, bro. We were so far from here, it did not make no sense. How we looked at it on the map, bro, and he said if we would have walked back, like kept going, it would have been 10, 15 miles just to get back. So we would have got back like at 3:34ish. But I'm about to probably take a little nap. I don't know. Or just simmer down because I just did that long walk. So I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. And I still gotta eat because while I was walking, the food was cooking. So yeah. All right, man. So it is like 3, 4 o'clock. We chopping up the wood that we got this morning because we can have this shit ready before nighttime. That's what we were supposed to do yesterday, but you know, we got here at nighttime. It's bugs everywhere. We seen a frog last night too. I think I got a picture of it. I'm gonna put it right here. But yeah, it was literally came out of nowhere and just right there by the tree. It's bugs everywhere, y'all. I ain't gonna fake. All last night, Wop was freaking growling and barking. And then I heard a dog, and then he'll bark. I had to put this dude in his place last night, bro. Because he was tripping. But it's cool firewood. This is all the firewood we got right here. And yeah, so after we get done chopping it up, MRE time, because I want to see what the next one got. But yeah, let me get back with y'all after we get done chopping all the wood up and I eat because I'm starving like Marvin. All right, y'all. So while we got the firewood over there going, I decided to go on a little walk with Wop. Wop, what you got to say to the folks? We out here in the real wilderness. It ain't no joke, man.
How far you want to go, bro? Come on. I'm following you in the front. But not nada, fucking nothing come out. But not even see no eyes. Y'all see that tree back there? I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me try to focus the flashlight. But that tree right there, I cut that tree earlier. And this one. And that one right there too. This shit low-key scary. But I got him. So, and I got y'all. They said it'd be black bears. It's rare to see one though. Coyotes. But that was something right there. But it ain't nothing though. But you ready to go back? You scared? That's too damn bad. Come on. Come on, man. Gotta go get lost again. You going back? Scared? Alright, just cause you scared, we'll go back. Damn, nigga, don't run, nigga. Don't run, nigga. Hold up, nigga. Hold up, nigga. Hold the fuck up, nigga. Hold the fuck up. Alright, y'all, I'm back to the fucking fire pit because WAP wanted to leave me. But we're gonna tell some scary stories. Oh. Yeah, scary stories, man. Go first. I'll say some shit off the head. Okay. Once upon a time. The end. Is that scary? Uh-oh. Alright, fuck it. Alright, I'm gonna be for it this time. Once upon a time, it was this small little house in this small little town in this small little city. And the only way you can get there is through this small road. And once you get there, you can't never go back. So you gotta know that you don't want to be wherever you're at, because once you go there, you can't go back, right? And so every year, people come up missing, and everybody wondering like, why everybody coming up missing, right? So they all went to that small little town, that small little city, through that small little road that you can't come back to if you go, right? Nigga, right? Nigga, right? All right. So everybody died. Was that spooky? They all died and they never come back. And so that was the end. Is that a good scary story, y'all? Let me know in the comments. All right, it's your turn now. What you got?
It was dark.
Oh,
shit. Night.
They got the flashlight. Let me get back. You're already scaring me.
It was a dark and stormy night.
Uh-huh.
There was 3 kids.
3 kids, uh-huh. Jermaine. Tyrone. Jamal.
One day, they decided they was gonna rob a bank.
Rob a bank?
And then Jamal was like, man, fuck the money. I want to kill everybody. So this nigga Jamal started killing everybody in the bank instead of taking the money. Then the police came in and killed Jamal and took the other 2 brothers to jail. So Tyrone and Jermaine was in jail. They started seeing Jamal in their sleep. Nightmares on some shit. And then They just had nightmares. They rested their life sentence, nigga. They died in jail.
Ah! They died? Oh no! They died, Wop. They died. Bro, that story was scary as fuck. I'm actually, I think I'm gonna stay up all night. I'm shivering in my timbers over here.
Oh, shiver my timbers!
I don't know. We don't have no s'mores, y'all. Because originally this was supposed to be, you can only take 3 things when you went camping, survival. But like, this was the first, this is his first time, and this was like my, like, I don't even know time. But yeah, we supposed to bring some s'mores, man. But next time we go, we gonna bring s'mores, and we gonna bring girls too. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, man. Make sure you stay tuned though. But I'm about to crack open my MRE last one of the week, because we're leaving tomorrow, so you know. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I crack that open, man.
I need the phone back.
All right. So these strips, I got one hand, y'all. I smell some damn chocolate.
That's raw meat.
I got white wheat snack bread. How the fuck is it white and wheat? I got matches. Blackberry jam. Stone Mountain. What the fuck is this? Peanut butter. M&M's. Just had that, man. Then I got chocolate pudding. All right. Then my beverage, fruit and vegetable blend smoothie. Get off my stuff. And yeah, this is my freaking dinner, y'all. So I'm about to eat this, and I'll see y'all in the morning. What's good, YouTube, man? It is the morning, and we packed up everything. I got my tent. I don't know if y'all can see the ground, but yeah, I got my tent up, man. It's 6:32 in the morning. I told him last night, I'm like, yesterday I woke up at 7:30. Today I woke up at 6 o'clock, and I was just laying there. And so, yeah, I got up. I'm like, man, yeah, this is the last day. We might as well just pull early. So we finna do that because we could beat the other people leaving early. They probably gonna leave later, but bro, tell me why Walt was asleep, right? And he was laying on the cover that I been gave him, but he did not use it, so I used it, right? So he laying like on my leg, right? So I went to tap this nigga. Tell me why this nigga jumped like off the ground. This nigga, like, he jumped up. Like, I seen him in a tent, like in a sky. I'm like, what the fuck? So then he jumped down. Like, when he fell back down, he just crawled and he went to the back of me. I'm like, what are you doing? So then every time I try to touch him, this nigga growling. I'm like, hell no, boy. He trying to kill me in the tent, y'all. But this is a super dog right here. This nigga jumped up so high, bro. It do not make sense, bro.
Yeah, run it up. Man, on my feet, run it up. Yeah, run it up. Run it up. Get them bands, run it up. Stay up out the way. We ain't for the bullshit, nigga, for the faith. Nigga got a 4-ton, nigga like a snake. Bad bitch tryna leave me, told her take a break. We gon' catch our mans lagging, dump him in a lake. Damn, everybody speaking while it's always hate.